We're just not talking like 5 seconds.
This is a little bizarre, you know that, right?
You guys should have put some on your dicks.
Oh.
Yeah, go away.
Dude, it's gonna get big. Have you ever heard the story, like, if you're sitting, like, if you pee to
Alright, let's go. Let's do the quiet.
Relax.
You know, you're getting the strangest looks from people.
Yeah, birdie, birdie, birdie.
Oh my god, you guys put it on your dick. What?
I bet it worked better if we had bread on them too.
You guys, should we put bread on you too? Like a whole sandwich on you? Come on, guys, no!
Come on.
Please.
I'll stay.
Alright.
I just wanna get
Mikey, go. When you guys sit to eat a sandwich, we can have the crust and put it on him.
We make a lot of mess. And we always Doritos, like a whole bag.
Look at these people, like, what?
I know. I should be like, what, you're gunking this bitch?
Hi.
Hi, baby.
Like, what's he doing?
Look at all the people.
I'm like, what the fuck is this guy trying to do? Commit suicide? Give me something comfortable. My head's like, that's not comfortable.
I thought you were thirsty.
This is soothing.
I bet until you get hit by a car.
Hang on, here we go.
Hold on.
Oh my
Ew.
God. Peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah, that's my
No,
shirt.
That's her shirt. No.